Hi guys, today for this video I got this cooking feed. I just decorate myself. Sorry guys, maingay kasi my house is too fixing here. Too fixing there, here. And yeah, let's go here and take our time. There you go. And let's get some. And let's just start cooking. So we do it. So first up, we need to cut. Put it in here. Next, you need this. Papakitan muna ako ng malate. This is our work. Okay. There you go. So first, let's add some cups. And let's get some of these. Oh, there you go. Nice and peace. Now let's open this, and this is my plate. And let's just open the lid. There are super. So let's cook it. I can feel it pretty. So yeah, this is I don't know this, but I just buy it. I see in the barrio ano daw to, chicken, pero hindi naman siya chicken. Chicken. Hindi ko alam guys kung chicken totoo ba. Pero halo-halo natin ngayon. Okay guys, kayo kakain rin. Kasi guys, may nag-quiz, lutuin ko daw ito. Na sabi daw niya wala daw akong makita na purple na pagkain. Pero, ano to? Tapos isa pa blue. Ito. Nakita niya ako. Pero pretty naman. And what's this? I'm seriously, okay guys, so ngayon guys, and this is chicken blue. This is not chicken blue, but chicken purple to pargal. So tapos na, kainin niyo na. So bye guys.